Hello everyone, I Vatsal welcome you all to my channel, and today I am going to show you how to fix sound problems on Windows 10. So there are three methods to fix this issue. So let's look at method number 1. Just go to the speaker icon, right click over it and just click on the option sounds. Now just click on the playback tab and just make sure that the internal speakers are set as the default device. But if you are using some external device or the external speaker, then make sure that device should be set as default device. So the way to set a speaker, either internal or external, a default device, is just click on that device, right click over it and just click on the option default device. Right now it is not showing the default device option because it is already set to default device. So if you want to make some external speaker as your default device and use that, then just click on it, right click and then click on the make default device option. So after checking this, just click on this speakers, internal speakers, then click on the properties button and go to the levels tab. Always make sure that this slider should be at 100%. It should not be below that, it should always be at 100%. Then the other thing that you have to check is that this speaker icon should be like this only, it should not be pause. It should not be like this, it should be like this. So just click on it to toggle. Then in the enhancement tab, make sure that this option disable all sounds effects should be checked. So this option should be checked. Then going to the next tab, make sure that the Dolby Audio is turned on. Then in the advanced tab, if suppose this option 24-bit 48,000 Hz is not working, then just select the 24-bit 44,100 option and just click on the test button to test it out. So just change the option and see whether your sound is working or not. Whatever change you make in these tabs, just click on the apply button and click on OK. So this was method number 1 to fix these sound problems. Now let's see the method number 2 that you can try out. Just go to the search bar and type device manager. Yeah, just click on this device manager. And now in this, just expand sound, video and game controllers. Now just click on Realtek high definition audio, right click over it and click on the option update driver. Click on the first option, search automatically for drivers. So it will search the internet for the drivers. So in my case it is saying best driver for your device are already installed. So I'll click on this close button, but for your system, if it says that the driver is available for installation, then just click on next to install it. So I'll just click on close. Suppose you install some updated driver for this sound card, then just restart your system once and then check whether your sound issue is fixed or not. After this, what you have to do is just right click over this sound card and this time click on the option uninstall device. One thing that I want to tell is that never ever click on this option delete the driver software for this device. Just click on this uninstall button. Now just click on the yes button and restart your system and just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So I'll not restart, I'll click on no. After restarting the system, it will automatically install that Realtek driver here. So you just have to check whether your sound issue is fixed or not. You don't have to do anything. So this was method number 2. If method number 1 and 2 didn't work for you, then just try out method number 3. Just go to the search bar and type services. Just click on this services. And now in this list, just search for the Windows Audio Service. Just click on this Windows Audio Service, right click over it and make sure that it is start. So right now it is showing grayed out, which means that it is start. Now go to the properties and make sure that the startup type should be automatic here. If in your system it is something else, then just change it to automatic and click on apply and click on OK. After this, just go to dependency tab and just note down the names of these two services. Now close this and just search for the two services in this list. So first was remote procedure call. So here it is, just click on it, right click over it and make sure that it is also start, and then go to properties and make sure that the startup type should be automatic. Similarly, check the same two things for the other service also. After this, just restart your system and check whether your issue is resolved or not. If still the issue is not resolved, then again come into this services application and just search for Windows Audio again. Now this time right click over it and just click on the restart button. I am not restarting it because if I restart, then I will not be able to do the recording. So after restarting the Windows Audio Service, just check whether your issue is resolved or not. So these were the 3 methods that you can try out to fix the audio problem in Windows 10. So that's it from my side. If you like my video, you can click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.